guys, this is Gabriel from Genius Audio USA, and today, since we're wearing red, we're going to show you a family of mid-range that goes according to this color. So again, we're in our showroom here in America, and from all this variety of mid-range, we're going to choose the red ones, which is the 02 family. So let me grab the 8-inch one so I can unbox this one for you guys. I already had on the table the 10-inch and the 6.5-inch. Okay, so let me open this one. I'm going to open the 8-inch one for you guys. As you can see, it's a 4 ohm. And as always, you got the sticker, you got your owner's manual with all the specs, and the cardboard to protect the mid-range. So let me open this one. Okay, take it out of the box. Let me put the box on the side, and let me show you here the mid-range. Okay, the difference with this family and many other mid-range that you see on the market is that we have a bullet type. This will help you focus on higher frequencies than a usual mid-bass. You got a W cloth surround and a paper cone on the inside. So let me flip it around so I can show you some other specs from the mid-range. This is a mid-range that has a sensitivity of 98 dBs, and the frequency range goes from 100 Hz to 8 kilohertz. So it is important that you have also some push terminals, so you won't have a problem with your wires getting loose. You can see over here the tinsels goes embroidered inside of the spider. So that's an important feature of this mid-range. Again, you can find this in 8-inch, 10-inch, and 6.5-inch. If you want to buy these products, you can go to geniusaudioUSA.com and look for them. Also, please stay tuned to our social media, which is down here, for more videos of more products from Genius.